Scotia is on the portage course. University of Maine in the starting zone. UNH, you are on deck for portage. UNH, followed by Colby. You can get your boats over to the starting area. Maine in the water. UNH on deck. Colby in the hole. We are using the same running order for portage that we are for singles and doubles.
Yo, yeah!
We're in the hole. You guys don't have life vests.
On the singles, Ranger School, J team. Ranger J, you should be in the water. Finger Lakes J, if you want to get down there and get ready, you can be in the hole. Finger Lakes J. We got Unity coming in strong on the portage. Way to go there, Unity.
Go, Paul! I don't know, I found that.
Back here and thank your biggest cheerleader. Did you hear me doing fine?
Well, I'm done. Okay, I'm done with the end of the season.
Ranger School J team, anytime you want to get in the water, we'll be ready for you. As soon as the second boat crosses the line, you'll be ready to go. After Ranger School J, we're going to have Unity's B team coming over to the start. You're on deck. On the portage, you should have UNH in the water. UNH in the water. Colby on deck. Ranger School, you're coming up in the hole. UNH, out in the water.
That's the right idea.
Okay, goal. Doing great.
Oh, I think this one's going to come down. Come on. The clouds.
Don't jinx it.
All right, let's hear it for Paul Smith J coming across the line here. Nicely done.
Guess what I'm doing in my pocket right now? Flipping you on.
She didn't want to quit. She's going all the way over. Paul Smith, don't forget to sign your timesheet when you're finished. All competitors in the singles and in the portage, come to the judge and sign when you're finished.
Phil should be.
All right, in the portage, we got UNH in the water. Colby, with your boat ready to go. Ranger School, you're going to follow.
Good, Hip.
Could I have someone from the Ranger Portage team come to the announcing stand, please? Ranger School Portage.
What? And it doesn't have a license. Come here and get one.
Guess those are singles.
Game lead.
Like punching the face.
Over here.
Go Dartmouth!
Nice job, Claire.
Yeah, Claire. Steady as she goes.
Nice. Nice job, Pat.
Colby, portage team, you are on deck. As soon as we get UNH off, you're going to get into water. Followed by Alfred. UNH, Colby, and Alfred on the portage.